Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a plain looking sticker colorful in CapCut PC. Go to stickers and find the stickers with like white outlines. It only works if the sticker is like a white color or it has white outline. Okay, my stickers aren't really loading. I do not know why. Let's see. The sticker will load today. Okay, maybe not in journal. What about in comic? Maybe in sketch? Okay, there we go. I'm going to add it to the track and I'm going to go to media and I'm going to add in this color and I'm going to put it above the sticker. You can adjust this as well. Go to the blend mode and choose the color burn for this or the linear burn one. It is up to you which one you want to choose, but it creates this really cool effect. If you want the color to be on the sticker, you can move the the colors left to right, or you can even like rotate it 90 degrees to get a different kind of gradient like this. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching.